Today I'm going to show you how I make my morning coffee using a French press. All you need is a simple French press and something to boil the water in. Both of these are linked down below if you're interested in either product. Let's start with this electric kettle. The plastic windows are BPA free, has liquid measurements on either side, a max capacity line, easy to use soft touch open and close. Let's load this up with some water while we're here. It also comes with this handy extra filter here in case you're not using filtered water. To start boiling water, place the kettle on its plug-in base and press down on the start button. Once the water has boiled and is ready, the power switch will turn off automatically. Such a great feature. While the water is heating up, let's talk about the French press. This French press is made of glass. Also comes out of its protective casing for easy cleaning. There is a little filter on the lid here, pretty standard stuff. This French press comes with a matching tablespoon. I like to use 4 tablespoons of coffee grounds, adjusted to more or less depending on your tastes. Preferably, you would want to grind your coffee before use, but pre-ground coffee like this works too. For French press coffee, you want to use coarse or medium grounds. This French press makes enough coffee for 2 standard size travel mugs. Once the water is ready, pour in your desired amount. If you don't have a kettle like this and just want to use boiled water on the stove, let it sit for 30 to 45 seconds before pouring it into the French press. Give your coffee grounds a quick stir. We're gonna let this steep for 4 to 5 minutes undisturbed. I would say 4 minutes for a dark roast and 5 minutes for a light roast. Once the coffee is ready, place the lid on top and slowly press it down to the bottom. Nice and slow. Add in your sugars or sweeteners. I like to use sugar in the raw, that's my go-to. Links to both the French press and the cordless kettle are located in the video's description box. I say cordless, but the kettle's base is plug-in. The kettle itself is cordless. Thanks for watching and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more of my content. There's always something new every week, and you never know what it's gonna be unless you subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll see you all in the next video.